Hello, I'm Adriana, and half of this channel, the another half, is my daughter Daniela. And today we had a very special project: how to personalize a card holder, how make it, and how make very special. Let's start. We have here a piece of fabric. It's a really nice purple. The measurements will be 22. Put the fabric with the print against each other, and I will mark it. So we have here 4.5, and we will looking for the same 4.5 across the fabric. Here a ruler, so I will trace a line where the markers are, so it can be more easy for us to cut the fabric. Now I want to cut the excess. We had our piece even, and I will cut all the little threads here on the side. Then I will add interfacing. Always have in mind that the side is more shiny. Go against to the fabric, and the piece is approximately 10.5 by 4.5. I'm going to sew in around, and I will leave a gap right here of 3 inches. But before we go into the machine, let's pass the iron to the interfacing. This is a great project, something you can make at home very easily. Now we can start to sewing. When we're done, I will leave in the gap here. We will cut the corners, so when we turn inside out, it looks more professional. After, you can take the opening, and you can see the fabrics against each other, and bring one of the corners out. This is a gift my daughter gave to me in Christmas, and it's a quick tool. It's a recommendation for this kind of project, and I want to try it to see how they work. 3 different sizes. One is a middle, the another is involved, and it depends on the projects we are working. Let's see, I will use the small one, and we insert through the opening and push the corners. Not too hard, because it can go through the fabric, and we don't want that happen. Okay, that worked perfectly. Continue with the new step, and just keep in place all the seams. Then we will mark 2 inches in each side to fold it, and we can keep in place. Put it some clips like this one, or if you want to use it, the pins like I have here, you can try as well. Both of them working in the same way. And now we're going to the another side, and we will do the same 2-inch and folder. After we have the 2-inch and this size 2-inch here, we can see the size is just perfect. It looks so cute, and I will iron it. We can put the clips back. Then I'm going to the machine and I will sew in on the size. For this card holder, I would like to personalize. I will use it some stamps to create something unique and something special for somebody. So after we're done, we can open it and we can put a little cardboard. We will working in this part. This beautiful heart that are perfect for Valentine's Day, or if you want to just send some love to someone, can be great. This is a vintage alphabet. Let's start. So I have here a paper towel just in case I need. We had the stamp and we had the ink. Let's put the ink into the stamp. All the design can be with the color. In this case will be black right here. So we had our heart here, but I will painting fabric markers. We'll start using some colors like yellow, pink color, and blue. So we had the word love, and now we will color in as well. I have this fabric here and I want our design be lasting, so we can use it for long time, or the person for who we make it can use it for long time. So I had the fabric and I iron it to keep the painting and our design and the fabric. So after we do that a couple times, we can see the fabric is still clean and our design looks pretty good. One more time. And after we can take from our project the cardboard we was used it before. Oh, that is adorable. I really love it. Now we can do this one more time. You can still use it, the fabric over the painting. You can do that at the another side. And our project ready to use it. This is so cute.